Hello everyone, welcome to Educative RKS. I am Ankit, Physics faculty. Today I want to share very few simple steps how to solve the numerical problem. Basically, we are having the numerical problem in physics from class 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and a student are facing sometimes problem in order to solve the numericals. So these are the few steps I will tell you. I have taken one of the numerical from class 10th electricity chapter, and the numerical is an electric bulb. This is the first electrical component that is given to us, having a resistance of 20 ohm and a conductor of resistance 4 ohm. The second component which is given to us, connected to a 6-volt battery which provides the potential difference, and these all the appliances are connected in series. So the first part in this question asked to us is draw the circuit diagram. The second part is total resistance of the circuit. Third part is the current through the circuit. Fourth part is potential difference across bulb and conductor. That two components which is given to us in this question. And the last part of it, power of the lamp, or you can call it as a bulb also. So I want to solve the first part of it. That is very simple, to draw the circuit diagram. I have taken the first component, electric bulb. I connect this electric bulb to a conductor which is having the resistance 4 ohm. Let's say R2 is the resistance of this conductor, that is 4 ohm, and R1 is the resistance of this bulb, this is 20 ohm. Both appliances are connected to a battery in series, and the battery is having a potential difference of 6 volt. We know that current always flows from the positive terminal of battery towards the negative terminal, whereas the electrons flow in the reverse direction to that of current. So I have solved the first part of it. Now coming to the second part, that is a big part, total resistance of the circuit. Before proceeding to the next 4 parts, I just want to tell you very simple steps, 3 steps that you have to do while solving any numerical. Step number 1. Step 1 is you have to firstly write down what is given to you in this question. So the first thing that is given to us in this question is the resistance of the bulb. So I write here resistance of the bulb, and take, after writing this, write a symbolic representation, that is R1. I suppose this is R1 and 20 ohm. After that, the second thing which is given to us in this question is resistance of the conductor, and the resistance of the conductor is also given to us. Write down the symbolic representation of it. After this is R2, let's say its value is 4 ohm. The third thing that is given to us is the potential difference of battery. So I will write here potential difference, and we know that the symbol of potential difference is capital V, and its value is given to us, that is 6 volt. Now step 2 is to find out the two things which are mainly important in any kind of question is, first thing is given, what is given to us by the examiner, and the second one is what are the various things that we have to find out in this question. If we solve to these two parts, the 50% of numerical is already covered. So the second step is to find out. So to find out, first part we have already covered. In the second part B, we have to find out RS, that is the resistance of the circuit. And I write it as sign of interrogation after this because we have to find out this. Second part that we have to find out is current through the circuit, and we know that the symbolic representation of current is I. Again, sign of interrogation after this. We have to find out the potential difference across this bulb and across this conductor. Let's say suppose V1 is the potential difference across this bulb, and let's say V2 is the potential difference across this conductor, and make sure the value of V1 plus V2 comes out to be 6 volt. We know that in series connection the current remains same whereas the potential changes. So I write here V1 and V2 potential difference and sign of interrogation. Third step is step number 3. Formula used. What are the various formula that you will use in this case in order to solve all these parts? So in order to solve the B part, we know that Rs is equals to R1 plus R2. The value of resistance of bulb is given to us 20 ohm. The resistance of conductor is given to us 4 ohm, and the total value is 24 ohms. Coming to the next part of it, that is the C part. The current through the circuit. The current through the circuit, according to Ohm's law, write on the reference from where you are taking the formulas. V is equals to I into R. The total potential here in this case is 24. The total resistance we have already found out is 24 is equals to I, and I comes out to be 1 upon 4 and is equals to 0.25 ampere. Now coming to the D part of it is potential difference. So V1 is equals to I into R1 and V2 is equals to I into R2. Why? Because we know that current in the series circuit is same. The V1 value is, the current is 0.25 ampere. So 0.25 multiplied by 2 and 20, and it comes out to be 5 volt. And the potential difference across conductor is 0.25 multiplied by 4 and it comes out to be 1 volt. So the value of V1 here in this case is 5 volt. Value of V2 is 1 volt and it is equal to 6 volt. So here we also verified that both the values of V1 and V2 is equals to 6 volt. Now the last part of this question is power of the circuit. So coming to E part, so power, not power of circuit but the power of bulb. So power of bulb, we know that the formula power is V into I. The potential difference across this bulb is 5 volt and the current flowing in it is 0.25 ampere. So 5 multiplied by 0.25 ampere and it comes out to be 1.25 watt. So in this way I have solved each and every step, every part of this question in 3 steps. The very first is given, what is the information that is provided to us by the examiner. Second part, what are the various things that we have to find out. That is, first part is the total resistance, then the current, then potential difference, and last part is P part is power. That I have find out here, power P. So again we are using the various formulas like Rs is equal to R1 plus R2, that is the equivalent resistance in series. Ohm's law, V is equals to I into R. Potential difference, V is equal to I into R, again from Ohm's law. And last one is power of the bulb, that is P is equals to V into I. Thank you all, have a nice time.